Let's start with the first news. The recent crypto market correction, triggered by significant news on Wednesday, has affected Ripple Labs-backed XRP over the past 24 hours. The large-cap altcoin, which has a fully diluted valuation of around $60 billion and an average daily trading volume of about $2 billion, has dropped nearly 8% in the last 24 hours, trading at approximately 60 cents during early New York trading on Thursday. Despite this drop, the Ripple community is celebrating an impressive performance in July, with XRP having surged over 35%. Although the weekly close was indecisive, the XRP price has regained crucial support levels, including the weekly 50 and 200 moving averages, MAs. On-chain data analysis from Whale Alert indicates that over $100 million worth of XRP has been withdrawn to unknown addresses in the past 2 days. These whale investors are betting on an inevitable bullish breakout for XRP in the near term, after it has been consolidating within a triangular pattern for the past 6 years. The Ripple community is eagerly awaiting a final ruling from Judge Annalisa Torres in the ongoing lawsuit filed by the U.S. SEC. Recently, the U.S. SEC has dropped several cases against crypto projects, including those suggesting that some digital assets were securities. Previously, the SEC requested the court to impose a fine of about $102 million on Ripple for violating securities laws through XRP sales to institutions. Veteran trader Peter Brandt has issued a warning to the XRP community to closely monitor the BTC pair for a possible head and shoulders (HNS) pattern. Brandt noted that XRP has established a neckline support level of around 0.000082 BTC over the past 6 years and warned that XRP cannot afford to lose further value against Bitcoin. If bearish sentiment for XRP against Bitcoin continues, Brandt believes a major sell-off could push the pair towards 0.00000020 BTC. Moving on to the second news. A prominent market commentator suggests that the United States is on the brink of establishing clear crypto regulations that could lead to a monumental 1,000x surge in the value of XRP. This bold claim was made by Mikkel, a well-known figure in the XRP community, during a recent presentation. The current dynamics of the U.S. crypto regulatory environment have taken center stage as the industry becomes a focal point in the run-up to the upcoming elections. The large and influential crypto community has caught the attention of presidential candidates who recognize the industry's support could be crucial in the upcoming elections. As a result, significant attention has been directed towards the crypto sector, with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, easing its regulatory approach. Recent developments include the SEC's approval of spot Ethereum ETFs, following the introduction of Bitcoin ETFs. Additionally, the SEC has dropped its investigation into Paxos for issuing BUSD, confirming that no legal action for securities violations will be pursued. The agency also revealed it is no longer seeking to classify certain cryptocurrencies, including Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA, as securities in lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase. Some believe these actions are attempts to garner favor from the crypto community, which GOP candidate Donald Trump has notably gained support from. Mikkel has hinted at an imminent, massive shift in the political landscape that would be favorable for crypto regulations. He believes this shift could lead to a significant breakout for major cryptocurrencies, with XRP standing to benefit greatly. He highlighted that the crypto industry has endured a period of intense regulatory scrutiny, yet has emerged stronger with several legal victories boosting market confidence. Mikkel emphasized that the expected regulatory shift would enhance the chances of explosive rallies, particularly for XRP. He presented a monthly chart for XRP, showcasing the Bollinger Bands, which have tightened significantly. This pattern is reminiscent of previous periods before XRP's explosive surges. In 2017, when XRP spiked to $3.31, and in 2021, when it rallied to $1.96. With this pattern re-emerging, experts anticipate another potential upsurge. Despite various price predictions, Mikkel has set an ambitious target of a 1,000x increase in XRP's price, which could lead to a $582 valuation. While this target seems far-fetched to many due to the enormous capital required, Mikkel remains optimistic. Currently, XRP trades at 58 cents, and a $582 price would result in a market cap of $32.58 trillion, surpassing the valuation of gold. Given the current market conditions, such a price target is seen as highly improbable, fueling skepticism among investors. Now, onto the third news. In a series of complex transactions, Ripple moved 1 billion XRP and locked up 800 million tokens before unlocking 500 million from escrow for August. These significant movements coincided with a notable price correction of XRP, dropping below 58 cents. The transactions, indexed by whale tracking resource Whale Alert, started with two significant movements from Ripple address RW2, 3WY. Between 1713 and 1716 Universal Time Coordinated, 500 million XRP were transferred to two other Ripple addresses. Specifically, 200 million XRP were sent to address RBG 91M and 300 million XRP to address RDD EC. Shortly after, another Ripple address, RDQ ESF, transferred an additional 500 million XRP to address RKD 2OP, which then locked all 500 million tokens in escrow at 1729 Universal Time Coordinated. Before this, RDD EC also locked up its 300 million XRP received earlier. In total, these transactions saw Ripple move 1 billion XRP within 20 minutes and lock up 800 million XRP in escrow. 7 hours after these transactions and the creation of the escrows, Ripple executed further transactions to unlock XRP from escrow. At 016 Universal Time Coordinated, 300 million XRP were released to address RW2, 3WY, followed by another 200 million XRP 2 minutes later, totaling 500 million XRP. This address, RW2, 3WY, involved in the initial transactions, had its balance replenished to 500 million XRP after these unlocks. August escrow operations deviate from the usual practice of releasing 1 billion XRP on the first day of each month, a trend seen throughout this year, with only a few months following the standard practice. The remaining 500 million XRP might be unlocked later in the month. The latest transactions were accompanied by a drop in XRP's price. XRP had previously shown strong performance, reaching 65 cents on July 31st, but this rally faced resistance at the upper Bollinger Band on the daily time frame. The bulls failed to breach this resistance, leading to a price retracement. As of August, XRP has decreased by 7.94%, falling to $0.5732, marking a 3.73% drop this morning alone. This decline highlights the volatility and market reactions to significant token movements by Ripple. Next is the fourth news. Michael XBT, a seasoned Bitcoin investor and market psychologist, has stated that expecting a 30,000% price increase for XRP in the current market cycle is highly unrealistic. Michael shared this opinion in response to analyst Javon Marks, who has consistently suggested that XRP could reach $150, translating to a 41,400% increase in this bull season. Marks' analyses are based on the belief that XRP is poised for a significant bullish breakout, similar to the one seen in 2017 after a prolonged downtrend, which led to its all-time high, ADH, of $3.84. Marks and other analysts have pointed to a similar triangle pattern forming for XRP, suggesting it could replicate its past performance and reach new highs. While some analysts have predicted XRP could enter the triple-digit range, more conservative observers believe a price between $5 and $10 is more realistic. Responding to Mark's assessments, Michael XBT argued that expecting XRP to achieve a 300-fold increase, as it has in the past, is beyond unrealistic. He believes market participants would be fortunate to see a 10-fold increase, which would push XRP to a new ADH of $6. Michael cautioned investors against buying into overly optimistic predictions, warning that those who do may end up holding their investments through another bear market. In defense of his bold predictions, Marks pointed out that XRP has previously achieved gains of over 1,000x, demonstrating its potential for massive increases. He emphasized that his targets are based on logarithmic patterns he has observed repeatedly, not arbitrary figures. Marks remarked, "The greats seem delusional until they aren't, so I'm fine with the opinion." Critics of ambitious XRP price predictions often cite the market capitalization that such price levels would imply. For instance, a price of $150 for XRP would result in a market cap of nearly $15 trillion, approaching the valuation of gold. While the debate continues, the market remains divided between those who believe in XRP's potential for dramatic gains and those who advocate for more conservative, realistic expectations. Regardless, investors are urged to consider the risks and manage their expectations accordingly. And here is the final news for today. As the XRP community eagerly awaits Judge Annalisa Torres's final ruling in the Ripple lawsuit, there is growing concern that the outcome may not significantly impact XRP's market value. The XRP army has high hopes that the conclusion of the 4-year legal battle will boost XRP's price. In mid-July, speculation about a closed-door settlement meeting between the SEC and Ripple led to a more than 50% increase in XRP's price. This optimism was further fueled by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's public statements that the case would end very soon. Despite the anticipation, the closed-door meeting last month did not result in any substantial developments, though XRP's price did see a positive effect. Many in the community believe that an official announcement of the lawsuit's end could trigger another upward trend for XRP. However, not everyone shares this optimism, with some expressing doubts about the potential impact. Community member Rochelle Renee recently shared her perspective on why the final decision in the Ripple SEC case might not lead to a significant price surge for XRP. She highlighted several key points in a post on social media platform X. Firstly, Renee noted that the anticipated decision would primarily outline Ripple's punishment for violating federal securities laws. Last year, Ripple was found guilty of selling unregistered investments in XRP to institutions, and the U.S. regulator has recommended a fine of approximately $2 billion. Ripple, however, is seeking a significant reduction in this fine. The judge's ruling will determine the final penalty. Additionally, Renee emphasized that a critical ruling already declared last year, that XRP itself is not a security, has not led to a lasting price increase. Although XRP initially surged on this news, the rally quickly lost momentum. Institutions needed assurance that it was legal to buy, hold, and use XRP, and this clarity has already been provided. Thus, the upcoming decision about Ripple's penalties may not have a substantial impact on XRP's value. Renee acknowledged that the end of the lawsuit might lead to a brief price increase, but argued that it would not result in a significant, sustained rally. Some community members believe that the lawsuit's conclusion will open doors for institutional adoption and global partnerships, as major banks and other entities will feel more confident engaging with Ripple once regulatory scrutiny ends. However, Renee countered that Ripple already has the regulatory clarity needed to pursue collaborations and increase XRP adoption. She suggested that while significant announcements about new partnerships may emerge in the future, they are not directly tied to the end of the lawsuit. So, that's the update for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.